In this tutorial, I'm going to find out if the two given objects are floats using isinstance function. I'm going to define a function and I'll use if statements. So let's define the function. I'm going to call it object, and then I'm going to pass in two parameters. If now use isinstance built-in function, so isinstance. Here I'm going to use this parameter a, and I want to figure out if it is a float, and also if parameter b is float as well or not. Is instance parameter b float, and if both of them are float, return this string. A and b are floats. Otherwise, and you don't have to mention else, just outside the if statement say return a and b are not of the same type of data. Now print, so name is object, that's the name of the function, and I'm going to pass in two arguments now. For instance 10.5 and then 12.3. I want to see if they're floats or not, and there you go. A and B are floats. Now try 12 and 10.5. So A and B are not of the same type of data. And that's all about this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.